this is Ratchet and Clank. Today we're going to play Ratchet and Clank 2, Going Commando. Let's go. Now let's start the game. Oh, you're right. Guys might be wondering how I have these. I played it before. I played the Ratchet and Clank game before. Now let's create a new save. Here's nothing. Now I'm actually happy because I'm soon. I'm going to leave.
Welcome back to the High Radio. Tonight's heroes are the duo who recently restored peace and order to our galaxy, Ratchet and Clank. So, gentlemen, tell us about your latest incredible adventures.
Well, as you can imagine, we've been pretty busy. After Drex's defeat, there were parades, press conferences, fancy dress balls,
and the wiener roasted owls.
And then things started to slow down a bit. After that,
there was the grand opening at Groovy Lou.
Right. I think that was last week.
6 months ago.
We're still pretty busy, but in a more, domestic sense.
Yesterday, I flushed out my radiator core.
I guess no one needs a hero right now.
Mr. Bum, I found our man.
What the?
I'm Abercrombie Fizzwidget, founder of the Megacorp Company in the Bogon Galaxy. I'm sorry to incapacitate you, but our entire galaxy is in a very precocious situation. I must humbly request your sustenance on a mission of dire urgitude. A mission of superfluous peril to the mission of unequivocal imperitude.
Did that make any sense?
So, you need me to go on a dangerous mission in another galaxy.
Indubitably. A few days ago, this top-secret biological experiment was stolen from our testing laboratory by this toothless criminal mastermind, and I need you to get the experiment back.
We'll do it.
We will.
Frank, I have precipitated your recalcitrance and made special improvisation for you. We're prepared to give you a job as the head accountant for Megacorp, plus a penthouse suite in lovely Megapolis, and our state-of-the-art robotic suits. As for you, Ratchet, I'll need you on some purgatory ship. While in transit to the Bogon Galaxy, you will undergo heavy training and conditioning, including martial arts, heavy weaponry, survival skills, stealth, lateral, ballroom dance, and origami. We use bipolar vector regurgitation to track the thief's location to a flying base in Sector 7. Infiltrate the base and train the experiment.
Sir, ready for launch.
Alright, that was a long cutscene. I think it's not that long. Alright, let's get going on the first part of the game. Planet I forgot. I don't know because planet.
Ratchet reporting. I'm on final approach to coordinates 37 Alpha.
Good luck. I'm counting on you.
Affirmative. Beginning radio silence.
Alright, let's go. Now we just in now. Here goes the link. Oh my god, look how he looks. He looks so cute. Oh, I just called myself cute. Alright, let's switch the cameras. Why do I have to always switch the camera? There you go.
To select weapons, hold triangle and select an icon with the left analog stick.
Actually, I already know that because I'm just telling you so you guys can actually know.
Press circle to fire your lancer.
I already know how to play this. I'm just doing what they say. I'm just pretending I don't know how to play it. Oh, guys, did you see that help? Alright, it's gonna come back up soon when I blast enemy. Look at this. Look at my nanomites. See my nanomites? It's gonna increase to a level. I can't believe Ratchet learned how to surf in this game. Like, I mean, this? Yeah, I can't believe he knows how to do it now. You didn't know how to do it in the first game, but they didn't add it for some reason. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, hiya. Oh. Hiya. Oh. No. That's just great. Yes. 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 Oh no, never mind.
Using a gravity ball here. I'll try it.
Gravity bomb's like this one. This is a gravity bomb. Look at the gravity bomb. I spoke too soon.
I see it's time to update my security forces.
Whoa, no, hey, no, look, I'm just here to fix the transflexor coil.
Nice try. Give my regards to Megapop. Finish him.
He just like finish him? Let's just finish him. Finish him. In Mortal Kombat. I can't believe he just said finish him. Wee. Alright, let's finish him. Wow, I didn't expect that to be cool. As I said, I played this game already. Oh, we got a new ultimate mask. I like this one. Better than the other one. I really hate it. I actually like this ultimate mask.
Thanks for less. If it ain't broke, we'll break it.
Right. I'm the market for some security.
You'll bring the cash, we'll bring the thrash.
Lord, I need your best men to meet me at these coordinates.
Oh, come on. Seriously.
You can aim your Lancer more accurately by holding L1.
L1, everyone. Oh my god. Stop trying to kill me. So annoying. That's so annoying. That's a little crap. This mission is so slow. I know they're behind me, I know. Not behind me, I meant in the left. No, I know. Yes. What is wrong with that guy? Why would you push your own partner?
Ratchet checking in, sir.
Congratulations. I didn't expect to hear from you again. So soon.
There was a slight problem. The thief escaped with the experiment, and I have no idea where he was headed.
Not to worry. I just received an emission which may lubricate the matter.
Do you have any maps for this quadrant of the galaxy?
You bet, mister. We got galactic maps, 3D maps, foldouts, cutouts, maps to the stars, and their moons.
I forgot my wallet. Could you take care of this?
You forgot your change. I'm on my way.
For a map, press select or R3.
I know. Please don't tell me that. Everyone knows the maps. Everyone knows. Well, not everyone. Does someone say help? Oh yeah, I heard help before. I heard someone say help before. Like, you know you can't say help. Oh, I see him. I see him. Everyone knows you cannot save them. Be honest with me, everyone.
Has increased. Defeat more enemies to increase it further.
Yeah, everyone knows that. It's like every Ratchet and Clank game. Defeat more enemies and it will increase more. Everyone knows that. Alright everyone, I'm gonna have to freaking seriously. Yo! No checkpoint. I forgot to think of no checkpoint. Just the everything's now online. I don't really give a crap about that guy now. Oh, my favorite weapon. These are my favorite weapons. Oh my god, just woke up. Alright, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe and comment and like. Yeah, please enjoy this video. If you want to see more playthroughs of Ratchet and Clank 2, go ahead. I don't care. But first, we're gonna before I end the video, I want to defeat the boss. I want to defeat the monster. He said the guy who said help. I think he's gonna get killed already. Yo. Be right back, guys. I'm back. Let's continue.
You've acquired nanotech. Your health has improved.
Yeah, I know nanotech already. So every time you get hit by an enemy, what was that sound? Oh! Grab me, Mom! Just shut up and something help! Oh my god, you freaking... There's so much to fight. Oh my god, these guys are starting to make game nerfs now. I forgot to fight all of them. But I don't have that much weapons. Damn it. Alright guys, we're gonna have to come here later. Well, alright. I think this is actually my favorite Ratchet and Clank game. Because I like the trailer of it. Alright everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Because guess what? Ratchet out.